Okay guys, so what I got problem, my refrigerator now was freezing, not working anymore, sometimes works, sometimes not, and right now the problem we found, they're leaking the free one. It's right here. We got like flex door, refrigerator. Okay, that's the problem.
Let me put it in here.
3 years old Samsung. Here you go.
So I can reach because
Well, like they explained, they have some this stuff right here, and that's causing the leaking. I don't know how. Probably they get water right here, and it's going some like that right here. That's why they explain me what that happened for coming from. So this just stinks. I don't know.
this is that hot.
Alright, good luck, guys.